Well, good Saturday afternoon, my YouTube friends. I wanted to share my spaghetti here with you today. It is boiling down up on the grill over here, but it's not a fajita mix this time. It's my own creation. I just added some chunks of steak and a bunch of veggies. But here, I'll show you what we got. It's starting to boil down right now. You can see I have tomatoes in there, red pepper, some zucchini, a cut up steak, some carrots, and a tomato. The only spices I put in was some oregano, a little bit of dill, salt and pepper. And I'm just letting it boil down here. I already have my noodles prepared up on the stove. So once this prepares and boils down here, I'll be able to add the noodles in and let it cook down. See, this has to boil down though. I want it more like a sauce. You can see there's chunks of steak in there. They won't really be fried though. More like boiled steak, but that fajita tasted perfect the other day. I'm sure this steak will just be just fine. But this is a homemade spaghetti sauce. Plus, these other chunks are some spinach I had left over. So I threw that in there too. You know, you can do pretty much anything with spaghetti sauce. But I wanted to share my little creation there. I'll let her boil down with you. And you guys have a good Saturday afternoon. I'm going to enjoy some fresh vegetable with steak spaghetti. You guys have a good day. Take care, everybody. I hope you like the Rolling Stones that I've posted. I have more albums too. I'll post more in the future here. I have some old stuff. I'll post different songs on there. Just keep track. They'll be going up. See some old ones. You guys have a good day. Take care. Stones rock.